In today's video, we will talk about sneakers.
I do not like wearing sneakers because I like the convenience of slip-on. But as I was checking the internet, I saw this website where they sell authentic sneakers at a very affordable price. So to make the long story short, I got myself an Air Jordan 4 Seafoam Oil Green shoes. The delivery was actually impressive. It came right on time. They have limited sizes. So when I got this size 10.5, I immediately ordered it. I like the breathable mesh that serves as the ventilation. It's very comfortable. It is very fashionable. They call this color Seafoam. I like the white color with oil green accent and a very dark gray lining. The texture I thought was kind of funny, because it's new, yet it is wrinkly. I guess it is because it is made from polyurethane leather. That is giving that wrinkly look, but it is very sturdy and stretchy. I like the soft feel to it and a little fancy. It looks like it's tight, but my son told me that it will eventually adjust, according to the size and shape of my feet. If you are interested on where I bought this shoes, please check the link in the description box below to see their website and Instagram account. This is not a sponsored video, so I do not have a coupon code to share.